How to make your woman to continue thinking about you without stopping. Yes, these are the ways that you can keep her in that forever mood. She can never stop thinking about you. Even though you people have misunderstanding, she will keep on thinking about you. If time is not taken, she'll be the one to come and tell you, I am sorry. Yes, this is women's secret that I want to tell you. Number one thing is make sure that you are available for her. Yes, women want that man that is caring and available for them. If you're not caring, you are not available, she will be like, why am I thinking about this man? He has nothing to offer, so I don't need to think about him. Let him be there. If he like, let him come. Even though you are married to that woman, she'll be like, let me go to the other room. He is not available in my life, so what am I thinking of him? Let him be. Whenever he's angry and he's okay, let him calm down. Whenever he's okay with his angry, let him calm down. Because you are not available in her life. Yes, you have to be available. Being available is not only but bringing out money. You have to be there. Know when she is crying and when she is happy. It will make that woman to feel fulfilled. She will feel fulfilled and loved. Yes. Number two is always knock her. Yes. Any couples that knock together, they find it difficult to break. You don't know. Couples that knock together cannot hold themselves. Whenever they have misunderstanding to each other, believe me, the other one will move. They must surely make sure before 24 hours that there is peace reigning in them. Knock your woman every day by day. Don't say, I knock her this month, next month I knock. Make sure that at least in a week, you knock 5 to 6 times in a week. Knock her in the morning, afternoon, and night. Yes. Always go to her Ponani. Browse in her contours. When you always browse in your woman's contours, believe me, that woman will ever be thinking of you. If you travel, she'll be like, oh, my man is not there. She'll be hungry because this is something that she has become part of. This has become part of her, like water, like food that we eat. Therefore, she needs you around her. She can never stop thinking of you. Yes. The next one is try and satisfy your woman. A lot of men, what they care is when they knock, and they bring out the end product, the SPM. They think that, yeah, I have arrived. They don't care if that woman bring out her own SPM, her own end product. Some of you men don't know that women do bring out end product. That water you said, I want a woman that brings out water. If she cannot release, she's not satisfied. Yes. Therefore, you have to make sure that your woman bring out her own end product. She release to satisfy her. Any woman that when you knock her, she'll be okay. When you knock her, she'll bring out her juice, her own water. Believe me, that woman will like to be thinking of you. She'll be wanting you more and more. That is why when you come to when you see couples that move hand to hand, they cannot leave each other. You don't know that there is secret in their marriage. That secret is they always satisfy each other. When you satisfy a woman, when she brings out her own end product, that woman will keep on thinking of you. She wants you always, and you'll be wanting her always. Therefore, as a man, you have to be available for your woman. You have to always knock her morning, afternoon, and night. Whenever the thing is hungry, you do it. There is no law holding you as far as you have paid her bride price. Another one is make sure that you make her to bring out her own end product. You see, these 3 things will always make a woman to be thinking of you. Help me share this video to every families, give this video thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more juicy information about relationship like this. See you guys again in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.